Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, assuming you have already tried restarting your computer, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are running the game as an administrator. Simply head to your desktop and locate the Valorant icon. Right-click and come into Properties. Then, come into the Compatibility tab and make sure Run this program as administrator is checked, and then just press Apply and OK to save your changes. We can then check to see if that one simple solution fixed the issue. Otherwise, move on to the next step. In the next step, you need to come into your task manager either by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard or by coming into the Start menu and searching for Task Manager. Then use the search box at the top here to search for Riot and end task on any processes relating to Riot. Then we want to come back into the search box and search for Valorant and do the same here. Once we have completely closed down the app, come into the Start menu and search for Run. Hit the Run icon. Inside of here, you want to type in services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down this list until you find a service called VGC, then just double-click on it. Where it says Startup Type, you want to make sure this is set to Automatic. Then simply go ahead and press the Start button down here. All you need to do then is press Apply and OK to save the changes. Then finally, come back into the Task Manager, and from these columns here, you want to select Startup Apps and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should find something called VG Tray. You just want to right-click on this and select Enable. Once we've done these steps, we can then restart our computer to make sure the issue is fixed. Now, if you still are experiencing any issues, the last and final thing we can do is come back to our Start bar and search for the word Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs, and then scroll down this list until you find something called Riot Vanguard. All you simply need to do is hit these three little dots here and select Uninstall. Then, once you've uninstalled the Riot Vanguard, simply launch back up the Valorant game and it will reinstall the Vanguard app. Now, hopefully by following all of these steps, the issue is now fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.